You could take the smoke, gas, carbon monoxide alarm wherever you want because as you plug it in, it actually recharges. I've been waiting to do this. So basically, as you plug it in, there's a little battery inside that recharges, and you're going to get a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and gas detector wherever you are. Plus, as a bonus, you get a humidity and temperature reading too. It has a few brightness modes, so you're going to be able to optimize the battery life, and you can mute it or turn the volume on. Long press it to turn it off. And then if you want to use the gas detection, hold the power button again, and then you can see the gas is counting down. So it's preheating and it's going to give me a gas reading. And looks good. No gas problems. In the box, because I already opened it, you get some paperwork, but you also get this back cap because what you could do is pop this plug off and then put this right back on. So when you want to use this in battery mode, you don't necessarily need the plug. You could thread on this cap, which works very well. And remember, this charges itself by plugging it in. There's a battery inside that automatically recharges whenever you have this plugged in. It has a 2000 milliamp hour battery, so it'll last quite a long time while it's not plugged in. So if you're ready for a combined smoke, gas, carbon monoxide all in one, then this is the device you're going to want.